let's look at this one. Okay, actually this is a speaking exercise, but since we are not doing spoken English, let's do a writing task here. Okay, so they want us to compare these pictures. Okay, car A and car B, watch A and watch B, camera A and camera B. So we need to compare these items here, or the products. We need to compare these products. Okay, so let's look at the first one, car A and car B. Okay, so I can say, if we are comparing car A, car A is older than older than car B. Car A is older than car B. That's one sentence. That's one comparison. Car A is older than car B. I can say car B is more expensive than car A. I can say car B is more expensive than car A. No, car B is more expensive than car A. And I can say car B is more modern than car A. Car B is more modern than car B is more modern than car A. Comparative form. I can say car B is more modern than car A. Let's write another one. Car A is lighter than car B. No? Car A is lighter than car B. Car A is lighter than car B. So likewise, we can write we can compare products. We have learned the comparative form now. Now we can compare products. We can say car A is older than car B. So if you look at car A and car B, you can simply say car A is older than car B. And another comparison is car B is more expensive than car A. So you can say car B, actually it's a new one. So it is more expensive than car A. Car B is more expensive than car A. You can say car B is more modern than car A. Yeah, car B is actually more modern. This is a modern car. Car B is more modern than car A. And I have written one more sentence. Car A is lighter than car B. Car A is lighter than car B. Car A is lighter than car B. Likewise, we can use the comparative form to compare products, compare nouns. Compare items, compare people. We can use the comparative form to compare these things. Okay, right. Now I have written 4 sentences about the first two pictures, car A and car B. So now I want you all to write sentences about watch A, watch B, camera A, camera B. So these products you need to compare. You need to compare and send me sentences in the Google chat. I want you to send as many sentences as possible. Compare these products. Watch A, watch B. Compare and send me sentences. Camera A, camera B. Compare and send me sentences in the Google chat. You can write any number of sentences. Let's see. Send me the answers, students. Right. Sakula. Watch A. When you write watch Buddha, the first letter of the sentence has to be in capital. Watch A. W has to be in capital. Always remember, Sakula, when you are writing a sentence, first letter of the sentence has to be in capital. It's a must. Okay. Then watch A. When you write A has to be in capital because it's only one letter that you are writing, and it's the name of that particular product. So watch A has to be in capital. Okay. Watch A is older than the B watch. Watch B. Yeah, that's right. Watch B have or has. Only one thing, no? Then it can't be have, it has to be has. Watch B has more functions than watch A. Good. Watch B is colorful, more colorful. Huh? You are using the comparative form, then it's more colorful. Watch B is more colorful than watch A. Mutuli, watch B is newer than car A. Huh? Watch and car. Why do you compare watch and car? It has to be both the watches. Watch A. It has to be watch A. Watch B is more valuable than watch A. Very good. Watch B is more modern than watch A. That's right. Watch B is lighter than watch A. That is right. Camera B is lighter than camera B. Camera B is lighter than camera B. No, camera A. Camera A is bigger than camera B. Yeah, correct answer. Camera A is older than camera B. That is also correct. Camera B is more modern than camera B. Again, camera B. No, camera A. Camera B is more modern than camera A. Right, Benudi. Watch B is expensive than watch A watch. Okay, expensive. When you write the word expensive, Benudi, remember the comparative form is more expensive. More expensive. Watch B is more expensive than watch A. Next one. Watch A. It is lighter than watch B. Yeah, watch A is lighter than watch B. That's how we have to write Benudi. Yeah, watch A is lighter than watch B. Next one. Watch A is better than watch B. Better? What is better? It's better. It's better, Benudi. Watch A is better than watch B. I think there was a spelling mistake, small spelling mistake, right? Okay, right. Harini has to write the answers. No? Harini has also written the answers. Watch B is more modern than Watch A. That's right. Watch B is newer than Watch A. That's correct. Watch B is lighter than Watch A. Litter, not litter, lighter. Litter means it's litter. The things that we throw away. It's lighter. Watch B is lighter than Watch A. Watch B is more colorful than watch A. Very good. Sentences are correct, Harini. Next one. Camera A is older than camera B. Yeah. Camera A, where is? The word is missing. Camera A is bigger than camera B. Camera B is lighter than, not litter, lighter. Camera B is lighter than camera A. Yeah. Lighter than camera A. Right. Students. Good. කියන්නේ comparative form එකයි superlative form එකයි දැන් තේරලා තියෙන ළමයි. comparative form එක දැන් හොඳටම තේරලා තියෙන superlative form එකට අපි තාම ගියේ නැහැ. comparative form එකෙන් ඔකට වාක්‍ය ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. කල්පනා කරලා යන්න පුළුවන් නේද? right. දැන් මම ලිව්වා මෙන්න මේ වාක්‍ය කීපයක් ඒ පොඩක් සම්බන්ධයෙන්. car A is older than car B. car A is older than car B. Car B is more modern than car A. Car B is more modern than car A. Car B is more expensive than car A. Car B is more expensive than car A. Car A is lighter than car B. Car A is lighter than car B. Regarding watches, watch A is less expensive than watch B. Yeah, watch A is less expensive than watch B. Watch B is more modern than watch A. Yeah, watch B is more modern than watch A. Watch A is lighter than watch B. Watch A is lighter than watch B. And the next one is cameras. Okay. Camera A is heavier than camera B. Yeah, camera A is heavier than camera B. Camera A is less expensive than camera B. Yeah, camera A is less expensive than camera B. Camera B has a larger choice of color than camera A. Yeah, camera B has a larger choice of colors than camera A. Camera A is bigger than camera B. Camera A is bigger than camera B. Right? Okay. So in this way, you can write the comparative words. You can use the comparative form of the adjectives to compare products. When you compare two products, you can use the comparative form of the adjectives.